Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kiki here. Today I want to share with you this amazing Amazon Monvict hot glue gun that was sent to me. Thank you to Aiden Wong for this beauty. I absolutely love this gun, guys. Let me start off by telling you that this gun has two settings, but we'll get into that shortly. It comes with a detachable cord, 12 glue sticks, 3 silicone finger protectors in different sizes. One fit in my thumb, my index, and my pinky. And it also comes with a card on steps for how to use the hot glue gun with their contact information on the back. I'm plugging in the detachable cord to show you the two different power options. The one line option will give you a red light, and according to the card it is 80 watts. The bottom option with two lines will give you a green light on the back, and according to the card it is 120 watts. Perfect for heavy duty projects. And the circle in the middle is to turn it off. Again, this is the Monvict hot glue gun from Amazon, and this trigger is awesome, guys. It responds very quickly and effortlessly with 3 fingers or 1 finger. It has a copper nozzle and a base to stand, which is perfect. This is a full-size glue gun, and on the back it has the hot glue gun inlet. And the detachable cord is about 54 inches long. The link will be down below in the description box for this beauty, guys, and it is not an affiliate link. Okay guys, we are going to make a winter wreath with 3 of these 15 feet garlands from Dollar Tree. We will also use these wired garland ties from Dollar Tree as well. These really cute mini pine cones and these 4x3 inch pine cones from Dollar Tree as well. And some fresh pine cones that I picked up from my backyard. So I started with one of the 15 feet garlands and I shaped my wreath to about an 18-inch diameter. Then I used 4 of the wired garland ties to tie my wreath so it can be secured and keep its shape. I am going to do the same thing with the second 15 feet garland. That's done and it looks a little bit fuller, but now I am going to do the same thing with the third 15 feet garland. And all I did was wrap one end around the wreath, and I held everything together nice and firm with my left hand as I kept wrapping the garland around with my right hand, securing it in place so everything is nice and tight. And when I get to the end, I just wrap that end around the wreath, and then I grab one of the ties to secure that end. I did the same thing for the other end as well, and now I'm just using the remainder of the garland ties to secure my wreath in place. I hope that I made sense, guys, but this was very easy to do. And this is what our finished wreath looks like, guys, but I want a little more volume on it, so I'm able to put some of the pine cones on there just fine. So I pulled out the wreath just a little bit. Then I went ahead and placed my pine cones on top of the wreath just to see if that's how I wanted everything to be, and so far I did like it. So then I went ahead and used my Monvict hot glue gun to glue everything in place. I love the fact that the hot glue gun has a stand, so as you can see it stands perfectly as I'm working, and I don't have to worry about it tipping over or anything like that. I was beyond pleased with this hot glue gun, and I'm excited to use it for many future DIYs. Thank you to Aiden again for reaching out to me. I absolutely love this gun, Aiden. Thank you so much. I'm going to go ahead and finish gluing the rest of the pine cones so we can get to this, the finished product. I'm very happy with the way it came out. I added a lot more. I used a lot of the baby pine cones towards the bottom of my wreath. I was very pleased with the finished product and I loved it. And now for the final touch, we're going to go ahead and spray paint some of this white linen chalked spray paint over my wreath so we can give it that snowy wintry look, if you know what I mean. And I just loved the way it came out, but you are going to see that I feel like it was a little bit too plain. So what I decided to do was remove that middle pine cone right there, and let me just tell you that that hot glue gun is no joke. It was a little tough to remove, but we got it out. And I'm gonna add this precious bow that I got from Family Dollar a while back for $3. I think that it gave it the perfect touch, and boom, we're done, guys. It is late at night, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like in the morning, but I think that it came out wonderful. I absolutely love it. Good morning, guys. It is the next day and this is what the final product looks like. I absolutely love the way everything came out. I'm very happy. I just wanted to show you guys. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below, and I hope you have a great day. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Guys, stay tuned for this next Dollar Tree DIY. Very easy to do. This is a Bath and Body Works snowflake magnet dupe. I think that this is super gorgeous, guys, and you can use this as gifts around your house. Just so many. The possibilities are endless with this one. You don't want to miss it, trust me. It will be coming up right after this video, so I'll talk to you soon. And Shorty says hi back there.